Here is my GoPro Hero 5 Black, and it's water damaged with salt water. And here's me trying to recover it. It even still has the protective film over the screen here. And up till the point where it got damaged, I still had the blue film over this part here. And there was actually water inside of this. It's all dried out now. I had it sitting in rice for a few days. And it does still somewhat power up, but it seems like the connection with the battery is bad. So I tried cleaning up the connection on the battery and somewhat trying to clean the prongs that connect to the battery inside the GoPro, but it wasn't really successful. When I plug it into charge, it doesn't really do anything. So the charge light just lights up. Before it was beeping, so it would just beep like it was powering on. The screen flashes and then turns back off. Now this is kind of normal for these old GoPros. When the battery is dead, it'll try to power it up, but the battery will be too dead to actually power up. See, there it goes. It's just beeping now. See, now it'll flash the screen. And that's pretty much all it's been doing for quite a while now. So there's a GoPro Hero 5 that has been water damaged by salt. They are weather resistant, so you can use them out in the rain with no issues, but as soon as you put them underwater, they will die. So what happened right away was the video wasn't saving, so water got inside this bottom door here, got past those rubber seals, and started getting into the SD card and breaking the connection there, so it couldn't save the video. And then the screen started going all purple and weird and flickering. So I'm going to be replacing this with a DJI Osmo Action 3. The newer GoPros are starting to have issues. People are actually starting to kind of shy away from them slowly because occasionally videos aren't saving, they're overheating, and DJI is just offering a bit more with their action cameras. Like the new GoPros have a screen on the front here, but the DJI also has a screen, but it is actually a touch screen in the front. The GoPro is just a screen, you can't use it. And the Action 3 also has just a bit more features. It also has an external mic that you can plug in, which is really nice. So I will be upgrading this old Hero 5 to a DJI Osmo Action 3.